Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna be putting 9-piece garage organizer together. And the very first problem I'm gonna get into is that central vacuum in the way. I'm gonna move it to the side of the wall, and I'm gonna be taking these front shelves down and probably gonna leave those side ones on there for the time being. Now, earlier for the vacuum, the pipe was just coming out of that hole and going up to the vacuum. What I'm gonna do is put 90 there, cut a hole in the wood, bring it out this way up to the vacuum. I just tested it and everything is working properly. Now let's get back to putting everything together. This is what it looks like once everything is put back together. That central vacuum fits there perfect on the side of the wall, and I put LED light with my charger and some basic tools on the pegboard, and I am really happy about this. It's got lots of storage, and I will have a workplace to work on. So let me know what you guys think about it, and like and share and follow for more videos. Thank you very much.